When the client got in touch with me and they told me they wanted 3 days of insane party without limitations, the first place I thought of was Andalusia. When I showed them the locations and they fell in love with them, that's when the concept became alive. The feria is basically a week of partying, but it's almost like you walk into another time, walk into the past. It's a really beautiful week experience where you just dance together, eat together, watch flamenco shows. So this became my inspiration for the couple. But I also knew this client were very special and they weren't going to want just the general wedding. They wanted something larger than life. They wanted to surprise their guests. They wanted to really take their guests on a journey. The concept of choosing elements, very strong and rooted in Andalusian culture, like the ball, the abanico, the fan, became the centerpiece of the design. And it is like stepping into another time. And I think that is not a gift you can give so easily to someone. So that is the inspiration behind this wedding.